Action is turn on, switching on button. Turn on. See, he is watching something. Drawing, draw. Go to, he is going somewhere. Go to. He is brushing his teeth. Brush. He is cutting a paper. Cut. He is washing a hand. Wash. He is walking. Walk. His action is writing. Write. His action is drink. He is drinking a water. Reading. His action is read. He is playing. Action is play. He is cooking. Action is cook. He is cleaning. Clean. He is sleeping. Sleep. He is watching a television. Watch. He is swimming. His action is swimming. Swim. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us.